Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best track saws that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Festool TS55 FEQ-F-Plus-FS Track Saw. Meet the Festool TS55 FEQ-F-Plus-FS Plunge Cut Track Saw with 55-inch, 1,400mm guide rail, a premium precision cutting system designed for ultra-clean, accurate woodworking cuts with professional grade control. Priced at $669, this is a high-end investment tool. It's built for professionals or serious woodworkers who need table saw-level precision in a portable format, especially for sheet goods and fine cabinetry work. Plunge cut design allows you to start cuts anywhere on the material, not just edges. Guide rail system, 1,400mm/55-inch, ensures perfectly straight, splinter-free cuts. High precision cutting performance ideal for plywood, MDF, and hardwood panels. Integrated dust extraction compatibility helps keep the workspace cleaner. Smooth depth adjustment for controlled, repeatable cutting depths. High-quality blade system designed for clean finishes and reduced tear-out. Professional-grade build quality for long-term heavy use. Works as part of a modular system with additional Festool accessories. Pros: extremely accurate and clean cutting results. Excellent dust control when paired with a vacuum system. Smooth plunge mechanism with strong safety control. Rail system improves consistency and repeatability. Durable, professional-grade construction. Cons: high price point compared to entry-level track saws. Requires ecosystem accessories for best performance, rails, dust extractor. Not ideal for casual DIY users due to cost and learning curve. Replacement blades and accessories can be expensive. Number 4. Volution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit. Meet the Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit, a versatile 7 to a quarter-inch track-guided saw designed to cut wood, plastic, and even metal with one single blade system. At just $180, this is a strong budget-friendly track saw kit. It delivers multi-material cutting capability plus a 40-inch track included, making it excellent value for DIY users and small workshops. Multi-material cutting system handles wood, plastic, and thin metal without blade changes. 40-inch track included for straight, guided precision cuts. TCT, tungsten carbide tipped, blade designed for durability and clean cuts. 7 to a quarter-inch blade size offers deeper cutting capacity than compact saws. Corded electric power ensures consistent performance without battery drain. Adjustable bevel and depth control for angled and precision cuts. Dust reduction design improves visibility and cleaner workspace. Built for job site flexibility and DIY versatility. Pros: very affordable compared to premium track saw systems. Cuts multiple materials without blade swaps. Track included in the box, good starter package. Strong cutting depth and decent power for the price. Great for DIY, home projects, and light professional use. Cons: less refined precision compared to high-end brands like Festool. More vibration and noise during operation. Build quality is good but not premium grade. Dust collection is basic unless upgraded. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. Meet the Makita SP6000J161/2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit, a precision track-guided cutting system built for smooth, splinter-free plunge cuts and professional woodworking accuracy. Priced at $668.71, this is a premium mid to high-end track saw kit. It delivers pro-level accuracy, strong build quality, and a full 55-inch guide rail system, making it ideal for serious carpenters and workshop users. 6.5-inch plunge cut saw for controlled, precise cutting starts anywhere on the material. 55-inch guide rail included for long, straight, and splinter-free cuts. Smooth variable depth adjustment for accurate cutting depth control. High-performance corded motor for consistent power under load. Bevel cutting capability for angled and specialty cuts. Anti-splinter guard system improves edge finish quality. Stackable tool case included for easy transport and storage. Designed for sheet goods, cabinetry, and finish carpentry work. Pros: extremely precise and smooth cutting performance. Excellent rail system stability for long cuts. Strong, reliable motor from a trusted professional brand. Clean edge results with minimal tear out. Durable build quality for long-term use. Cons: high price compared to entry-level track saw kits. Learning curve for beginners using plunge systems. Accessories and additional rails can get expensive. Corded design limits mobility on remote job sites. Number 2. Makita XPS01 PTJ18VX2 LXT Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. Meet the Makita XPS01 PTJ18VX2 LXT 36V Brushless Cordless 6.1/2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit, a powerful cordless track saw system designed for precision cutting with total job site mobility. At $779.35, this is a premium cordless professional tool. You're paying for cordless freedom plus brushless efficiency plus pro-grade cutting accuracy, but note, the guide rail is sold separately, which adds to total cost. Dual 18VX2 system, 36V power, delivers high cutting performance without cords. Brushless motor technology improves efficiency, power, and runtime. 6.5-inch plunge cut saw for clean starts anywhere on the material. Compatible with Makita guide rail system, 39-inch rail shown, sold separately. Smooth depth and bevel adjustment for precise, controlled cuts. Electronic speed control maintains consistent performance under load. Cordless portability ideal for job sites without power access. Designed for plywood, MDF, paneling, and professional carpentry work. Pros: true cordless convenience with strong 36V power output. Very accurate plunge and track cutting performance. Excellent build quality and professional reliability. Brushless motor improves efficiency and battery life. Great for mobile contractors and job site flexibility. Cons: high total cost, especially when adding rail system. Guide rail not included in the kit. Heavier than corded alternatives due to dual battery setup. Batteries need charging and replacement over time. Number 1. Bosch GKT13-225L 6.5 inches. Precision track saw. Meet the Bosch Tools GKT13-225L 6.1/2 Precision Track Saw, a professional plunge action cutting system built for ultra-accurate, clean straight cuts in woodworking projects. Priced at $719, this is a premium professional-grade tool. It delivers high precision, strong build quality, and reliable corded performance, targeting serious carpenters and workshop professionals. 6.5-inch carbide blade for clean and durable cutting performance. Plunge cut design allows controlled entry anywhere on the material. Precision track system compatibility for straight, splinter-free cuts. Powerful corded electric motor ensures consistent cutting power. Adjustable depth and bevel settings for flexible cutting applications. Dust extraction compatibility for cleaner and more visible work area. Ergonomic grip design improves control during long cutting sessions. Comes with a durable carrying case for transport and storage. Pros: extremely precise and professional cutting results. Strong and reliable corded performance under heavy load. Excellent build quality and long-term durability. Smooth plunge mechanism with good control. Great for cabinetry, sheet goods, and finish carpentry. Cons: high price compared to mid-range track saws. Corded design limits mobility on large job sites. Guide rail system may increase total cost. Not ideal for beginners due to professional focus. If you're looking for pro-level cutting accuracy and reliability, check the link in the description for current deals and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tool comparisons and workshop reviews.